So in this house here, this house right here, we have this doorway. Any other doorway, right? Normal doorway, coming up. What the fuck is that? What is that? I don't fucking know. But we go to the other side. Let me tell you this. If that ain't the fucking cheesy McCheesy bullshit I've ever seen in my life. A couple pieces of block. Because they didn't want to fix this corner correctly. So they shoved a fucking piece of wood up in there. Glued it. And then put, sheetrock on it. And mudded the fucking dog piss out of it. Look at this shit. Just wiggle like a loose tooth in there. Look at that. Look at that. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what you call fucking riggedy-diggity. 2 pieces of wood, glued. Oh, I'm sorry, they're screwed together. I'm sorry, there's a screw right there. So anyway, you shove this in that hole. Fucking ridiculous.